How's everyone doing today? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drones in 2022. I've made this list based on price, recording quality, flying performance, ease of use, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an inexpensive option that's perfect for entry-level users or the best model that money can buy, we'll have the best drone for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a drone that offers a solid flying experience, easy-to-use controls, and useful built-in safety features to prevent damage at an affordable price, the Ryze Tello is my choice as the best drone for beginners in 2022. The Ryze Tello is a budget-friendly, safe-to-use, and lightweight quadcopter with enough power to fly well in non-windy conditions. It offers solid recordings, decent battery life, and a user-friendly app, which makes it perfect for first-time drone owners or kids. The battery provides a respectable 13 minutes of flight time, and while it's relatively short compared to the DJI Air 2S, it still gives you enough time to learn the basics. It has a solid transmission range of 100 meters and a companion app that allows you to control the drone, along with the ability to pair a Bluetooth gaming controller at shorter ranges. Unlike the other options on this list, it's compatible with Scratch programming, so you can perform customized flight patterns and behaviors. Even more, it has a beginner-friendly automatic takeoff and landing function, downward-facing stability sensors to prevent drifting, and propeller guards for added durability. It has a built-in nose-mounted 720p camera that's capable of shooting footage with solid detail at 30 frames per second, which is suitable for casual users, and decent 5-megapixel images that upload directly to your phone. Unfortunately, recorded video can look somewhat choppy and lacks dynamic range, but it has electronic image stabilization software to improve the picture quality. You also get 3 flight modes and several surprisingly advanced features for the price, including VR compatibility and a throw-and-go mode that automatically hovers when you toss it in the air. While it doesn't quite offer the same recording capabilities as the DJI Air 2S, it's still a solid option that offers intuitive controls, which makes it ideal for entry-level users. If you're looking for a drone that can provide a decent flying experience in calm conditions, offers good enough images for casual filmmaking projects or YouTube videos, and has customizable flight patterns for a decent price, this might be the right choice for you. For anyone who's looking for a compact, lightweight drone that doesn't sacrifice flying performance and can withstand windier conditions, the DJI Mini 2 is my choice as the best mini drone in 2022. You don't always need to shell out a lot of money to get quality performance, and the DJI Mini 2 is a small, easy-to-control drone that offers impressive battery life, 4K filming capabilities, and a robust wireless connection that allows you to fly over longer distances than many options in this range. It comes with a solid battery that provides around 30 minutes of runtime, which is almost on par with the DJI Air 2S, and the Fly More kit comes with 2 additional batteries to extend your flying time. It's surprisingly well made and offers an impressive level 5 wind resistance considering the size, so it can reliably hold its own against winds up to 24 miles per hour and doesn't need to be registered. You also get an intuitive controller that provides a solid 10-kilometer range to cover more ground, along with a useful companion app that gives readings on height, remaining recording time, battery percentage, controller signal, and more to deliver a better user experience. The camera is solid and records higher resolution 4K video than the Ryze Tello at a smooth 30 frames per second, and while it doesn't perform as well in gloomy conditions, you can boost the low light performance with the manual photograph setting. You also get several effects and features such as panoramas, auto exposure bracketing, digital zoom, and 3 dedicated video modes, so you get solid filming versatility. It has a built-in improved GPS system and altitude sensor for more accurate tracking, 3 downward-facing distance and optical sensors, and obstacle sensors to avoid mid-air collisions. The DJI Mini 2 doesn't offer the same quality as the FPV, but it provides superior performance to the Ryze Tello and offers surprising strength in a compact, portable frame. I would recommend this if you want a drone that's easy to travel with, can last for a long time, and offers several built-in effects to capture your desired footage for less than premium options. Some users might be looking for a versatile drone that has a great combination of flying ability, build quality, and easy-to-use controls. The DJI Air 2S is my choice as the best drone for most people in 2022. DJI is a well-respected name in the industry, and their Air 2S model is among the best all-around drones available. It has a compact design that's easy to manage, stunning recording quality that's ideal for pro photographers, and several all-new automated flight paths to keep you entertained. It has a lightweight frame and a compact foldable design, so you can comfortably carry it around. I like that it has 8 gigabytes of storage to keep your video footage and aerial photos, but it's likely too limited to store many videos and doesn't come with a micro SD card. It also comes with an ergonomically designed remote that has an integrated clip to hold your smartphone, which features power bank capabilities, 2 joysticks for flight control, a button to toggle flight modes, and a control wheel to set the camera's tilt. The battery can also handle most flying requirements and is rated to last for around 31 minutes per charge. It has several built-in safety features to keep your drone operational, including obstacle sensors, an AirSense feature that displays nearby vehicles, automated return to home, and more, which makes it ideal for users of all experience levels. You get a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor, and while it has a fixed aperture, it's larger than the previously mentioned options and delivers sharp, colorful 4K pictures. It can also shoot stunning 5.4K video at up to 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 1080 at 120 frames per second, so it's also appropriate for more serious photographers or video recording. The Air 2S isn't the most premium offering available, but it's extremely easy to control and offers superior flying performance to the DJI Mini 2. If you're looking for an all-around drone that's perfect for taking out on joyrides, can record near professional-grade photo and video, and offers several built-in safety features to stay functional, this might be the ideal option for you. Next up, we have a high-quality drone that offers an impressive maximum speed, crystal-clear recordings, and a unique first-person view to provide a more immersive experience. The DJI FPV is an excellent, durable option for any avid user to consider. Not all drones require you to connect your smartphone to keep an eye on your flight path, and the DJI FPV comes with goggles that provide a crisp image and a bird's-eye view of your surroundings in real time. It has a small, compact design, but unlike the DJI Mavic 3 we'll mention later, it lacks a foldable design that makes it easier to carry. I like that it has multiple flight modes to suit users with varying experience levels, which includes a normal mode that's meant for beginners, a manual mode for more experienced users who want to perform complex maneuvers, and a sport mode that offers a nice middle ground, although it lacks automated flying modes like the Air 2S. You also get high-resolution DJI goggles that are easy to pair, and they provide a reliable long-distance, low-latency transmission and a first-person, bird's-eye view for a better flying experience. It comes with a 12-megapixel CMOS sensor with a wide 150-degree field of view, a fixed aperture, and the ability to capture stunning 4K photos, which should be enough to satisfy professional photographers and enthusiasts. It can also capture crystal-clear video in 4K at 50 or 60 frames per second and 1080p content at 50, 60, 100, or 120 frames per second, which provides greater creative versatility than the Air 2S model. Unfortunately, the battery is only rated to last for around 20 minutes per charge, but this is solid for an FPV drone and should still be adequate for most flying requirements. While the camera has more limited functionality than the premium DJI Mavic 3, it still provides excellent recorded footage that's suitable for professional users. If you're looking for a drone that has easy-to-use controls, versatile flight modes that are well-suited for every type of user, and the most immersive flying experience on the market, this might be the ideal option for you. If you're looking for the drone that offers the best blend of build quality, picture quality, battery life, and all-around flying experience, the DJI Mavic 3 is my choice as the best overall drone in 2022. The DJI Mavic 3 is a powerful, compact drone that's capable of capturing crystal-clear videos and photos. It also comes with an upgraded battery to provide longer flight times, improved obstacle detection for safety, and a dual lens design to provide more versatility while filming. It has a slim, relatively lightweight, and folding design that can fit into a backpack, although it's heavy enough to require FAA registration. Unfortunately, the 8 gigabytes of onboard storage is somewhat limited, but it has a microSD card slot to expand the storage and a modern USB-C port for faster file transfers. You get a large 5000 mAh battery that offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, but the actual real-world battery duration tends to be shorter. The controller has been updated to comfortably fit larger smartphones, and it lets you control the drone, toggle flight modes, find your desired camera angle, and more. It has 3 total flight modes: a cine mode for slower moving footage, a normal mode with obstacle avoidance, and a sport mode that lacks obstacle detection but can reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour, so it's best used in open, clear areas. You also get a premium dual-lens 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that can capture 5.1K video with an extra-wide 1.9:1 aspect ratio, which produces crisper and more detailed footage than other high-end options like the DJI FPV. It also has several useful safety features, such as an advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensor, a return-to-home function, and a fly-safe geofencing system to prevent flying in restricted areas. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best overall drone because it offers an excellent flying experience, a long-lasting battery, and class-leading picture quality, which makes it ideal for professional videographers or drone enthusiasts. This is a great option if you want a drone with easy-to-use controls, stunning high-quality footage, and advanced safety features to prevent damage. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Links to all products we've talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.